Are you tired of the daily grind and dreaming of a life of luxury, where work is a distant memory? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 9 easy steps that will help you become rich and never have to work again. Step 1. Set clear financial goals. Visualize your dream life and create a detailed plan to achieve it. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Step 2. Develop multiple streams of income. Diversify your sources of revenue to ensure financial stability and growth. Explore opportunities such as investments, side hustles, and passive income streams. Step 3. Invest in yourself. Continuous learning and personal development are key to success. Take courses, attend workshops, and seek mentorship to enhance your skills and knowledge. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Step 4. Save and invest wisely. Practice frugality and discipline when it comes to your finances. Build a solid savings account and invest in assets that will generate long-term wealth. Step 5. Take calculated risks. Success often requires stepping out of your comfort zone. Be strategic in your decision-making and don't be afraid to seize opportunities that come your way. Step 6. Create passive income streams. Build systems and processes that generate income without requiring your constant attention. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on other pursuits. Step 7. Live below your means. Avoid lifestyle inflation and unnecessary expenses. By living frugally, you can save more money and fast-track your journey to financial independence. Step 8. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals. Network with successful people who can mentor and inspire you. Your environment plays a crucial role in shaping your mindset and beliefs. Step 9. Stay committed and focused. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is wealth. Stay persistent, resilient, and dedicated to your goals. With hard work and determination, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life of your dreams. Follow these 9 easy steps and watch your wealth grow exponentially. Remember, the key to success is taking action. Are you ready to start your journey to financial freedom?